Welcome to this Excel tutorial on one of the most powerful features that can make your spreadsheet experience more organized and efficient, naming ranges. In this video, we will dive into the world of named ranges in Excel and explore how they work. So without any delay, let's get started and unlock the potential of this essential Excel tool.
Don't forget to subscribe Knowhow and press the bell icon for more videos.
You may have noticed that a typical spreadsheet can have lots of different cell references. Many of these references are sort of generic. As a result, it can make formulas harder to interpret at a glance. To make things easier, you can add a more descriptive name to any cell range and then use those named ranges in your formulas. For example, rather than your cell range being named as E101, you can simply name it as tax rate. Let's learn some simple steps to understand how it works. First of all, we have to select a cell or cell range that we want to name. For example, I want to rename this E101 cell. After selecting it, I have to type the desired name into the name box, which is located to the left of the formula bar. So I will write it as tax rate. I am not going to put any space because spaces are not allowed in the names. Then I will press enter. Now if you select this cell, you can see that its name is changed to tax rate. Now we can use this name to refer to this cell whenever we need it in any formula. I am also going to rename this cell, that is E111. So I will click it and then rename it as subtotal. After renaming it, I am just going to press enter. And now if I want to calculate the tax, I have to write equal and then multiply this subtotal with the tax rate. So instead of using the generic name in this formula, I have renamed the cell and then use it in this formula. So now this formula is looking more meaningful to me. If you ever need to change a name range, go to the formula tab and click the name manager. You will see a list of names in the workbook as well as some tools to edit or delete the names. So you can easily edit or delete these names from this list. After making changes, we'll close this window. Now when you click the formula in the future, the name range makes it easier to quickly recognize words to include. And there you have it. You have just unlocked the magic of named ranges in Excel. From simplifying formulas to enhancing readability, named ranges offer a host of benefits that can truly transform the way you work with spreadsheet. Now, as you continue to create and manage your own Excel files, remember the power that named ranges bring to the table. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.